Guys, try natin guys gawa ng fried rice kahit midnight na. Yan lang ang gamit natin guys, at itong rice at walang ulam guys. Yan lang natin kakainin. Let's do this. Gagamitin natin next one guys, and gagamit tayo ng magic cubes guys para specialty sa ating fried rice. Kaya let's do this. Nalagay ko na yung sangkap guys. Hintayin lang natin mag-golden brown. Rice guys. Ito yung rice na kanina lang namin nakain. Yung magic cube na chicken guys na pampasarap sa ating fried rice. Nalagay na natin guys, kaya i-mix na natin ng konting asin guys para masarap yung fried rice natin. Kaya let's mix lang. Finished product na guys, at ito na yung midnight dinner natin, kaya let's eat.